In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a photo from Facebook. So I'm starting here on Facebook, and the first thing I'm doing is heading up to the top right corner and clicking on my profile. That opens the account menu, and from there I'm going straight to my profile page. Once I'm there, I'm looking for the Photos tab and clicking into it so I can see the images connected to my account. This is the easiest place to work from when I already know I want to remove a specific photo and just want to get right to it. Now that I'm inside the Photos section, I'm finding the image I want to delete and selecting it so it opens up on screen. You'll want to take a quick second here and make sure it's the right one before you continue, especially if you've got a lot of photos on your profile. Once I've opened the image, I'm moving up to the top right of that photo view and looking for the three-dot menu. That's the option I need, so I'm clicking it to open the photo actions. From that menu, I'm selecting Move to Trash. This is the option Facebook gives me when I want to remove the photo from my profile. As soon as I click it, Facebook brings up a confirmation prompt, and this is the part where I'm just checking one more time that I really want to remove this exact image. If everything looks right, I'm clicking Move to Confirm, and that's it. Once I do that, the photo is moved to trash and the change is applied. So if you're following along on your own screen, the full flow is very simple. Open Facebook, click your profile at the top right corner, go to your profile page, click the Photos tab, select the image you want to delete, click the three-dot menu at the top right of the image, choose Move to Trash, and then click Move to Confirm. Everything happens right from the photo itself, so you don't need to go digging through a bunch of different settings to make this work. The main thing is really just making sure you open the correct image before using that three-dot menu, because once you click Move to Trash and confirm it, the photo is no longer staying in that normal profile view. Other than that, it's a very quick process. Just open the photo, use the menu, and confirm the move. So that's exactly how to delete a photo from Facebook. Once you've done it one time, it becomes a really easy thing to repeat anytime you want to clean up a picture from your account. Just go to your profile, open Photos, select the image, use the three-dot menu, and move it to trash.